Okay, I got two different O-rings. This is a 4-speed shift shaft O-ring, and this one here is for a conversion of a fork. So one of these two should work.
I think this one's like too small. It's loose in the groove.
It's all right. I don't care if it's loose. I don't care if it goes on. The size is good.
Yeah.
Got a little lube on that still? Put it on. It doesn't have to be tight side to side. It has to be.
Stick up just enough.
It sticks up above the surface, as you can tell. See, it sticks up above the surface right there.
That one may squish out just fine,
So
huh?
that's what we're looking for.
Okay, start it here. I'm going to stay on this.
You hit it right here like that. It goes on. See, it's in the center.
It's on everywhere.
See, it went on. Perfect.
Throw some bolts in it.
So it's a 80s 4-speed shift shaft O-ring for something.
You need Loctite on these?
No. No Loctite on. I don't need Loctite on that crap. What do you do that for?
Just asking.
Don't need none of that
Don't
junk.
vibrate enough.
You didn't put the oil in yet. What's going on?
I didn't put it in yet?
Oh, you put
Yes,
the oil
I
in.
did.
Oh, you did?
On here?
There's oil in the primary?
I'm going to put it in here, right?
Oh, you don't put it in beforehand?
I'm going to put it after I get these screws tightened up.
Is the drain plug in? Where is the drain
Yeah,
plug
drain
at?
plug right here. Right here. Oh, the other one? Yeah, it's in.
This one. Is that in all the way? Or? No, it's loose.
It's in there, though.
It's not in. It's loose. If I'm taking out my fingers, it's not in.
I think that's a different size. It's a Torx, isn't it?
See, that's not in. See how it comes out in my fingers?
Yeah, it was there. It was there.
No, it's not. It's loose. It's not in yet. In means in. Loose means loose. So there's what we used. 4-speed shift shaft O-ring for something. 7986. It's probably the same yard number as what he's looking for. And so this had a conversion for a fork, a little bit bigger. All right.
That Allen bolt wrench around here?
Here's that one you stole from me on my toolbox. You can use that for now. It's already been used, so we'll use it some more.
This is the wrong bolt.
Did you get your wiring fixed yet?
Yeah, it's all good. It's not the wrong bolt.
We missed the wrong bolt.
Anything I'd wash in it?
Get a washer on it. Should go right in. They're all the same length, aren't they?
Yep. Where's the last of the Mohicans at? Besides the drain plug, it's all in there. Extra bolt.
Good.
Like any kind of a sequence to go in this?
Tight.
Try it.
Start in the middle, work your way out. Like anything.
Is it?
Are you forcing that in there? So it looks like you are.
Have a little bit of Loctite on it still.
Yeah, well, as long as it doesn't have Loctite in the bottom of the hole, it'll blow the primary part if it does. Definitely get them all started before you do anything. So you got a hole up in there? And that hole's plugged.
Which one? Oh, that one?
The one that holds the
Yeah, put
shifter
that back
shaft in there.
The starter, isn't it the starter shaft?
Starter's yoke shaft, or whatever you want to call it. Fork
Not
shaft.
right. Are they all the same?
Sometimes they cross fit on you, so pull it back out and do it straight. Or it's way too long. Grab your extra bolt, same length.
Negative. Shorter.
Hmm.
Oh, that one came
Maybe
out.
that's the one you should be using. You don't need a 1/2 inch of engagement, you don't need to have 1 1/2 inches.
It's quite long on this one, maybe too. But
Joe's slow.
I have ridiculously slow.
Alright, so we'll get some of this sealer here.
Anti-seize thread. Anti-skid seats. Anti-skid.
Clean enough for Joe.
Is there much on there?
Got some monkey cum on here. See that?
What that is?
That's what that is, monkey cum. It's like monkey pox, but different.
You don't want no monkey bugs.
Monkey cum causes monkey pox. Didn't you know that? That's how it happens. I saw it on the news the other day.
Fauci started again.
I think he's the first one that had it.
Made the show in China.
He was over there screwing with the monkeys again in China.
It's just a Democrat thing to get they need some kind of fucking crisis to get Trump out of office.
All right, so we got a little.
More. What is that stuff? Anti-seize? For dissimilar metals or what?
Monkey cum. All right.
That's a torch.
I don't know, does that one go in it? Did you try? It's stuck on my fingers.
Too slow, he says.
I was told the stuff was no good.
Pipe thread?
Yeah, you gotta go in the hole first. But it's going now.
Is that Teflon tape you put on? What?
Does it look like
Teflon lube?
Does it look like Teflon tape?
Boy, looking. But I can give these a final.
Torque them in. What are you waiting for? Oh. They tight yet? How come the spark plugs aren't on yet?
I haven't got them yet.
Oh. It goes up there. Sparking plugs. Ancient, old style, obsolete plugs.
Oh. Won't be Iridium. Obsolete Iridium.
They've obsoleted 4 of my spark plugs now that I use. Is that a bad sign? Yeah, looks like there's a gap in there. Let me get my gapping tool out. Yeah, there's a gap. Yep, there's a gap in there. There's 2 gaps in there.
Aren't they good?
I got it in my thumbnail, went both.
Is that good for you?
It's good enough for me.
Small, isn't it?
What do you smanny sees?
That'll work.
Smanny sees.
See any plugs?
Yeah, it doesn't hurt.
Yeah. Keep it off the tip.
Yeah, first 3 threads, all you gotta do.
Messy stuff
You
sometimes.
don't need all that on there. It's always messy. Why are you wasting it?
What I do? What am I doing? I mean,
First 3 threads.
not that much.
Yeah, that's it. About halfway down, it'll be nice.
Halfway down.
Yeah, stay off the thread. Stay off the top of. Why are you so close to the electrode? Stay
I
away.
said the first 3.
The first 3 out the first 2. The middle. You didn't put the lid on either. What's up with you? Doing everything.
Making a mess.
No, you can put it. You can do it on an electrode. It's not going to work.
No, I'm trying to keep it off there.
No, you wouldn't put your thumb on it. Now you're going to touch it again. Wherever you put this stuff, it's going to be a trail. It's going to go zap, zap, and not go where it's supposed to. So there's that new spark plug knife I don't like. There's my little one right there. Don't leave them in yet. Don't put them in. Put them in the plug wires, lay them on top of steel or aluminum or something with metal.
Will that work?
Oh, they stay there. Where's your cover?
That's some box over there. O-rings in. I need that little funny funnel they make for these.
You need a shifter to make sure it's in neutral.
Shifter's in that same box over there.
You mean that one down there? Would you move it?
Same box as the
Let's get the shifter on there, make sure it's in neutral. We don't want to start up in gear. It will take off and do a wheeling and flip upside down. You wouldn't mind if it did that, would you?
Oh, I'd be just devastated.
It'd go whoop like that and land on top of us. And the throttle will still be going. Because Joe grabbed the throttle as I was doing it and turned it wide open just to make sure it was good.
I would hit the kill button first.
No, you hit the throttle wide open first. And I've already seen how you react.
Get the Allen wrench for the shifting.
No, I ain't got no Allen wrench. You didn't say you want an Allen wrench.
Need that. Thank you.
Yep. I've seen race bikes do that to track. Take off and whoop, right up to open over.
Okay. She's in neutral.
You sure? False neutral?
Neutral. Wasn't turn yourself.
Drain plug's in it?
I guess maybe
Is it rolling it yet? Is it dripping out yet?
on the floor.
Yeah.
No. I'll move these just in case.
Which goes in here?
Well, if the bike's staying level, you go to the bottom of the derby cover there, right?
Oh, derby cover, huh?
About a quart.
Oh, you read it?
I'm new.
Well, you said 16 ounces on the other side. It wasn't right, so what's this side going to do?
If I go by my manual, it'll probably be wrong anyway.
Well, the 16 was wrong. If it comes out the top, the spark plug hole is too much.
Yeah, I'd say so. I had those fancy funnels one time. It fits right in there. Heck, when I had a Dynaglide,
Yeah, we don't have the fancy stuff like that.
just use a piece of paper or something. Thin cardboard.
We just pour it in like I'm doing.
Or you can do it like that. It doesn't even make a mess either, does it? Our clutch is still not working right though.
Oh, we're supposed to readjust that. Well, you know it's not working right.
Because I adjusted this all the way so it came apart. And I still had a lot of slop up in the on the lever
What lever?
here.
Oh.
And it's all the way maximally extended there, and I still have like that much play.
Why don't you readjust that?
Gotta do it here, man. I'm not that much of an expert yet.
Once you back that off,
It's all the way out. I mean,
once you back that off,
thinner. I mean, make it closer or longer.
back off and
I don't know in the situation.
undo what you did. That means back off. Go back to starting point.
Way down the bottom. You know, get my 1/2 inch wrenches back.
I don't have a 1/2 inch wrench. Yeah, we're gonna be back. Joe's gonna get his 1/2 inch wrench.